It's why we also we developed a full range and not just one product, not just one surfactant that you add to the bleach and it's done. If, so
Tudo bem. Se bem, então.
I think Anna is joining us.
Yeah, somebody's drinking coffee and trying to join at the same time.
Anna is working, is trying to get the chat going.
Oh, by the way, I think the chat is working because I do see some questions popping up in my control room.
Yeah, perfect. I see also our team is also sending us some screenshots of that. Great to know that it's working. I don't see it, unfortunately, but maybe if I refresh, I should be able to see it, but you can make the questions if you see them. So, of course, surfactants or wetting agents help a lot, especially when mixed with bleach. It helps the bleach stick to the surface, increases the dwell time there. We are big fans of foam for our products. It really increases the dwell time on the surface. It becomes much more efficient to use the products, and we did a ton of tests with Kim already, adjusting the level of foam on the products, balancing between the active principle and the foaming agent to have the right amount of foam at the concentrations that you want to work. So on our case, we always advise using a foam cannon of any sort or with your drone to apply our products, because it really increases the dwell time on the surface and there's a lot less runoff from the surface. The costs will drop a lot. Of course, then we needed to match each product to the substrate and to the type of soiling that we are facing. Biological growth, mildew, moss, lichen, algae, fungi, of all the stuff that grows on its own on the surface. It's tricky. Bleach, of course, is the solution for that. But as Samir indicated, there are options. They just take longer, and we have that option also. It's a slow-acting product to deal with this type of growth. But of course, customers want to pay for a service and see the service being done when you leave. Paying for a service and then hoping that the surface will be cleaned in a couple of months or sometimes more than that, it's a hard sell. So I think in the beginning, it will be more a preventive product than actually the solution for cleaning as the customer gets educated. Then you have all the organic soiling, dust, bird droppings, grease, oil, fuel, carbon deposits from ambient pollution, all that normal stuff that you see on a house or a building on the middle of a town. And finally, the inorganic soiling. Can be as simple as hard water stains on the glass, where your normal glass cleaner will not remove it, to baked in cement dust or metal oxides with rust, and that's where you really need something to help you. And now we also believe that with the drone technology, the industrial cleaning will be a new addition to the industry, because until now, cleaning those type of equipment was really expensive and dangerous because of the complexity. But we believe that now, with specialized agents, it can be done because the drone makes it much safer, much cheaper also. You don't need all the platforms and all the harnesses and the lifeline scaffolding. It simplifies the process a lot. Of course, you need to have experience with your drone because you are navigating 3D environments, not 2D like just a glass facade. But also, usually the customer is much more willing to pay more to have it cleaned, because until now there wasn't really an option, or it's just a really expensive option. The rinsing part also, especially on the glass side, was really important for us to find a product that could be easily rinsed off, that would not leave any streaks, that you don't need to use a ton of water to rinse it off. But of course, it will depend on the substrate. If you are cleaning walls, you really don't need to worry about the quality of your water. But cleaning solar or cleaning glass, that's where the water quality will immediately be seen. And that's where you need to use soft water for sure. Also some rinsing strategies, depending on the substrate. We saw, for example, for solar, that spraying could be done in one way, but then rinsing had to still be done left to right, to otherwise will be just splattering all the dirt to the clean area. So there are still some strategies that need to be accounted for according to the substrate. But I think water quality and your water treatment equipment is a must if you are planning to use to clean, especially glass or solar.
I have a question for you because we're on the topic now. Shin asked, can Chemitek window cleaners clean white water stains on windows? So I assume hard water cleaners.
The hard water, the white stains are probably calcium, and for that we advise the inorganic, the drone surface cleaning agent inorganic, because it's the one that is suited for the limestone stains on any type of surface, of course. The glass cleaning product is, let's say, a maintenance, a normal soiling product. If the first time that you go to clean a glass facade, if there are already water stains, then you need to use the inorganic, and the next cleanings just maintain it with the glass cleaner.